Hello everybody. Welcome to Kanama Cooks for another interesting and a very healthy recipe today. We are making a very healthy breakfast dish made with whole grain poha and also with loaded vegetables. If you plan to make this dish for breakfast, get all the veggies prepped the previous night itself so the dish can be put together in less than 20 minutes in the morning. I always make a huge portion, so I pack the same for lunch too. Soak the whole grain red rice poha for about 2 minutes in water. After 2 minutes, drain the poha in a colander and set it aside. Let it sit on the counter for 10 minutes. The poha will become swollen and soft after that time. Sometimes the poha may be still a little hard to the touch after 10 minutes if it is a little old. In that case, wash the poha again briefly for a few seconds and set it aside to drain on a colander for about 5 to 6 minutes. The poha will absorb the moisture and will become soft after that time. Get the poha ready first before starting to cook. So that way the poha is nice and soft when you are adding it to the dish. Take a pan and add some oil. I have used coconut oil today, but you can use any oil of your choice. When the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, couple of dried red chilies, some finely chopped ginger and some finely chopped curry leaves. Saute everything for a few seconds. Let the mustard seeds crackle and the curry leaves crisp up. Add the chopped onions to the pan and saute for a couple of minutes. Let the onions become soft. Once the onions are soft, add the finely chopped green chilies to the pan. Adjust the chilies according to your taste. Add 1 tomato that's been chopped fine, a little turmeric powder and a little bit of asafoetida. Saute everything for a couple of more minutes on medium flame. At this stage, add about 2 cups of chopped vegetables. Make sure to chop the vegetables of the same size so they all cook evenly. I have used carrots, beans, green peas, sweet corn and potatoes. I like to use a lot of potatoes for this dish as they taste delicious in poha. You can mix and match the vegetables according to what you have in your fridge. Add the salt to the vegetables and mix everything well to combine. Cover the pan with the lid and let it cook on a low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. The veggies should be cooked and soft after about 7 minutes. Keep sauteing once in a while to avoid scorching at the bottom. At this stage, add about 1/4 cup of sprouts. I have used moth sprouts, but green gram or horse gram sprouts will work too. Add some fresh shredded coconut for that richness when you take a bite. Also, add a little sugar to balance the taste. Mix everything well to combine. At this stage, add our prepared poha and mix well to combine. Cook for a couple of minutes so the poha warms up. If you feel that the poha is very dry at this stage, you can sprinkle a little water and cook for a couple of minutes more. To finish the dish, add some lime juice to the pan. The lime juice freshens everything up and brightens the dish. Also, add in some roasted peanuts for the crunch and a generous sprinkling of coriander leaves. Mix everything well to combine. Our black Kavuni rice poha is now ready. Serve hot and enjoy. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Until next time, it's me Suguna signing off. Take care and bye-bye.